Today we are going to see about exclusively about zinc oxide eugenol dental cement, which is most commonly used as a temporary restoration in routine clinical practice. Okay, now let us go over to zinc oxide eugenol. So the contents of today's class is going to be the introduction. We are going to see the history in detail about the classification of zinc oxide eugenol. Then we are going to see about the composition, the setting reaction, the setting time, the working time and the mixing time for zinc oxide eugenol, the manipulation. We are going to see in detail about the physical properties, the biological properties in detail, especially about the biocompatibility of zinc oxide eugenol, the various applications and clinical uses of zinc oxide eugenol, what are the advantages and disadvantages and the modifications of zinc oxide eugenol. So these we are going to cover in today's class. So coming to the introduction, so as I already told you, zinc oxide eugenol is a most commonly used temporary restorative material. So it was introduced in the year 1858 and the ADA, the American Dental Association specification number for zinc oxide eugenol is number 30. So the pH of the cement is equivalent to the almost close to the neutral pH, which is 7. So it is considered to be least irritating of all the dental cements. Okay, when zinc oxide is mixed with eugenol. So eugenol is nothing but clove oil. So when zinc oxide powder is mixed with eugenol, it sets to form a hard cement which is nothing but your zinc oxide eugenol. So it is found to be biocompatible to both the hard and the soft tissues in the oral cavity. Hence it is most commonly used as a temporary restorative material. Coming to the classification of zinc oxide eugenol, so we have basically 4 different types: type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. So the type 1 is a temporary luting or temporary cementation. So this is used to lute or cement your temporary crowns, sometimes used to lute your FPDs for temporary purpose. Okay, so whatever the crown or the FPD you are going to lute for a temporary purpose, then you can use your type 1 zinc oxide eugenol temporary luting or temporary cementation. So under this you have 3 classes. So you have class 1, which is available as powder and liquid. Class 2 is available as 2 forms. So class 2A and class 2B. So class 2A is paste and paste. Okay, that is available in the form that is called as eugenol. And class 2B is available again as paste and paste. So this is called as non-eugenol. And class 3 is available as paste and paste, which is a non-setting eugenol based cement. Coming to type 2, this is used for permanent cementation and the trade name it is available as calcinol. This one is available only as a single class, class 1, which is available as a powder and liquid. Then type 3 is nothing but the filling material which is used as a most commonly used as a temporary cementation or for an intermediate restoration. It also sometimes very rarely acts as a thermal insulating base, but most commonly it is used as a temporary restoration. This is what type 3 is the one we are routinely using in day-to-day clinical practice. So this is available as class 1, which is a powder and a liquid based system. And class 2, it's available as a 2-paste system, paste. Okay, it is most commonly available as a base paste and a catalyst paste. Then type 4 is nothing but your cavity liners. So this is again available as class 1 and class 2. So class 1 is available as powder and liquid and class 2 is available as a 2-paste system, paste and paste. Coming to the composition of zinc oxide eugenol. So any cement, as I already told you, you have to learn it in this tabular column format. So first you see the first tabular column which I always give is the ingredient, that is the content, and then the weight percentage of each ingredient and the function. So the first we will see the contents of the powder, then we will see in detail the contents of the liquid. So powder, the main component here is zinc oxide, ZNO, and the percentage is around 69%. It is the principal ingredient, the main ingredient. And the other components of the powder is white rosin, which is around 29.3%, which reduces the brittleness of the set cement. The function is to reduce the brittleness of the set cement. Then the third content is zinc stearate, which is around 1%. It acts as a plasticizer. The fourth one is zinc acetate, which is around 0.7%, which increases the strength and it also used as an accelerator for the setting reaction. Then you have the liquid. As I already told you, the main component is eugenol. Eugenol is nothing but clove oil. You also have a small percentage of olive oil, which is around 15%. So, eugenol comprises the majority, which is around 85%. So, eugenol is the main component which is going to react with the zinc oxide powder. Olive oil is around 15%, which acts as a plasticizer and it modifies the viscosity. It gives you that paste-like consistency by adding the olive oil.